Hi everyone, this is Spicy's Chair and welcome to my channel. First of all, I want to say thank you to those who subscribe my channel. Thank you po sa lahat ng sumusuporta at nanood ng aking mga videos. And for those who are just new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell para ma-notify po kayo kung may mga bago akong mga uploads na mga videos. So, by the way, yung mga ina-uploads kong videos is sari-sari. So, any topic yung pinag-uploads ko. So, guys, nagtataka siguro kayo bakit washing machine yung nasa harap natin ngayon. Because this vlog is about how to clean our washing machine. So, how many of us here alam kung paano maglinis ng washing machine? Alam nyo ba na dapat linisin ang washing machine every 3 months? So, today's vlog, ipapakita ko sa inyo kung paano ko nililinis yung washing machine para malinis nyo rin yung washing machine nyo. So itong washing machine ko is front load pala. Front load. And it's been with me for 4 years na. Pero yung hitsura, parang bago pa din. Siyempre, alagang-alaga. Mahirap na pag masira. Mahirap maglaba pag kamay. So guys, to clean our washing machine, we're going to use these two products that can be easily found in the supermarket and it's affordable. So we're going to use the baking soda and the vinegar. Why baking soda and vinegar? Baking soda, it has a power pack with antacid properties and is known to be a great alkalizing agent. While the vinegar, it will help sanitize our washing machine. Once baking soda will mix with vinegar, it will react to lift any residue and clean the inside of our washing machine. So it's affordable product. To start cleaning this washing machine, we will start from the soap container. To remove this box, we need to press down the push button and then make sure underneath of this area we will clean it using by a brush. Make sure to remove all the residues, and then this one. So this soap container we have to clean also. So we have to lift this part to make sure everything is clean. And then once it's clean, we have to put it back in the washing machine. So that's it. It's easy to remove and return. So now in this part, make sure to check the gaskets and underneath because the residues and the dirts will stay in this part, especially in these gaskets. So you can clean it one by using a brush and a cloth. We need to clean also this drainer. Just open this one. Make sure it's clean. See? This is where the water will drain after we wash. So make sure also that this part is clean. When washing machine is not in use, it's advisable to open the door or leave a crack to be air dry to avoid smelly washing machine. Now we're going to put the vinegar and the baking soda. Now, set your washing machine to the longest washing cycle and the hottest temperature that it has. Now just wait for the washing cycle to be finished and we're done. You will see all the residues that will be removed. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you learned something from my video today on how to clean our washing machine. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and share my video. Bye guys. Thank you.